Let's learn how to edit duration of photos on TikTok. When you post a picture on TikTok, its duration is very short, and because of that, people might not be able to see what you've posted. Therefore, in this video, I will show you how to extend the duration of a picture on TikTok. First, let's open TikTok app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then click on the little plus button in the bottom of the screen to open a camera. The next step we need to do is to use a green screen effect. So click on Effect in bottom right corner of the screen, and all your effects will pop up. In the section bar, scroll to the right to find Green Screen section and click on it. Now TikTok show you all green screen effects which they have. For me, the best is first one, so click on it to open effect. Then in bar, where is a photo, scroll to the right to find a photo you want and click on photo you want. Next, go to record a photo by holding on this big circle button in the bottom of screen. Hold for as many seconds as you want your video to be. I recommend you to don't recording over 15 seconds. And next go to upload a video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.